Hello there. You scared the shit out of me. Anyways, welcome to the movie. I am Gobingston, founder and owner of GobTV. Betty White was supposed to be here, but I think she's dead. Anyways, with all that out of the way, let's get down to business. This is a story of an epic quest full of comedy, drama, and action. A quest to find a Nintendo phone.
Stop the music!
Meh. What's up, Duck?
What's up? I'll tell you what's up. I'm taking charge here. That's what's up. 50 years of you hot in the spotlight is enough.
I am riding the shield from now on because I, personally, have all the talent around here.
Okay, Mac, let's take it from the top. Okay, far enough. Now then, camera, music, sound. Ho, ho, very funny. You may expect to hear from my attorneys. Well, if I'm not gonna star in this cartoon, we might as well just start the movie. Roll 'em!